Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Rodeway Inn Findlay. It's a 2-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get good pricing. Stay en route to some of Ohio's most notable attractions at the pet-friendly Rodeway Inn in Findlay, conveniently located off Interstate 75 and 25 miles from Bowling Green State University. Other notable nearby sites, venues, golf courses and shopping destinations include the Coca-Cola Bottling Company, Hillcrest Golf Course, Findlay Village Mall, the University of Findlay and Jeffrey's Antique Gallery. Dine at one of several surrounding restaurants and cocktail lounges, including Bob Evans, Cracker Barrel Old Country Store and Restaurant, Outback Steakhouse, Frickers and Steve's Dakota Grill. Findlay, Rodeway Inn hotel amenities and features include free continental breakfast, free coffee, free local calls, a newsstand and access to copy and fax services. Your guest room features a coffee maker and cable, satellite television, including pay-per-view movies for an additional fee. Select rooms contain refrigerators and microwaves. Irons and ironing boards are available for guest use, and non-smoking rooms are available. Ample parking is available. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.